Tactical gloves protect your hands when you hunt or engage yourself in a tactical situation. Not only they'll protect your hands from scratches, but they will also keep your grip firm and your trigger finger mobile. These gloves are designed and fitted for a combat and survival situation and multiple other issues that require skill and a full range of motion for fingers. They have a better fit and allow you to use tools at a much higher rate of accuracy than your everyday glove. And in today's video, we will show you the best 5 tactical gloves that you can have to improve your performance in the field. So without wasting any more time, let's get started.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Keep your hands protected in every single situation with the 511 High Abrasion Tactical Glove, a durable yet comfortable glove that is well known for its durability amongst users. It comes with a 10W synthetic seed palm with an internal padded knuckle, which will deliver high abrasion resistance in order to keep your hands protected. This glove features 3 fingers with ring-cut microfiber strips for extra grip and notched index and thumb gussets for flexibility. At the same time, its webbing pull tab with a hanger loop offers easy access. Made from synthetic seed polyester spandex, medical grade strap, and matte lycra, this tactical glove is built tough. It has a 4-way stretch breathable top that'll keep your fingers dry and breathable. It also features circle lip closure to keep the glove locked in your hands. The 511 High Abrasion Tac features a super synthetic seed palm that can handle any formidable task, whether it's full-on combat or on the construction site. Tactical situations are the circumstances where having extra protection plays a significant role. That is exactly why you should have the Oakley Factory Pilot Glove, a durable glove that you can have where every inch of protection is needed. This glove features premium leather and durable synthetics with flexible articulated construction that allows it to have a comfortable wear experience. It comes with full grain leather palm and unobtainium surfacing on palms and fingers for secure grip plus tested pull for easy donning. The Pilot Glove has a protective knuckle to guard against impact, while its mesh zones and rubber exhaust ports ensure comfortable breathability. The Oakley Factory Pilot Glove is always ready to provide protection when you need it the most. Experience maximum protection and flexibility like never before with the Glove Station Tactical Rubber Knuckle Gloves that is always ready for action. Its molded knuckle plates protect your knuckles from harsh environments during operation, while the flexible neoprene joints provide unhindered range of motion. This glove is meticulously crafted with double-stitch seams all throughout to be tough and durable for long-lasting use in any kind of condition. The added textured inner palm fabric enhances grip, while the leather index and middle fingertips increase the user dexterity for continual dependability. The full-length padded mesh runs throughout the back of the glove to let moisture out. Additionally, the rubberized air vents improve the airflow for faster heat dissipation. Having the right protection for your hands in a tactical situation is a must-have, and with the Glove Station tactical rubber knuckle gloves, you will always be confident. Tougher and stronger. Yes, that's exactly what your mind will say after getting the FREETOO Knuckle Tactical Gloves for yourself, which is a durable pair of gloves that pushes the limits of being a tactical glove. Equipped with a composite PVC padded knuckle and thermoplastic rubber finger panels, this glove delivers protection against cuts, burns, scraps, and even injuries due to vibrations. The microfiber leather on the palm increases more friction so that you can have the critical grip that you would need in any tactical scenario. This pair of military gloves is sewn with a double layer sewing process and imported leather that makes sure that your glove wears 2 times longer than other gloves in the market. Its breathable vents design on the finger and the padded mesh material can nicely reduce hand sweat so you can keep your hands dry and clean in outdoor activities. In tactical situations, the more options you've got, the better you increase your success rate, and that's why the FREETOO Knuckle Tactical Gloves combines durability, flexibility, and comfort to be the perfect handguard for you. Delivering full coverage hand protection and safeguarding yourself from blisters and mishaps, the Mechanix Wear Impact Covered Tactical Gloves is like a shield of hand and is the #1 pick on our list. It is made from synthetic leather and comes with D3O palm padding. This padding absorbs and dissipates high impact energy through the palm to ensure a comfortable wear experience. With its thermoplastic rubber knuckle guard and finger guards, you can be sure of protecting your hand against any impact. In addition to that, its dual-layer internal fingertip reinforcement provides added durability. And finally, this glove comes included with a nylon web loop, which will provide convenient storage and is machine washable for effortless usability. No matter what the application is, construction, woodwork, or tactical, the Mechanix Wear MPD55010 can keep your hands safe from abrasion in every situation. So that was all about the 5 best tactical gloves just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.